And we have engine ignition. The engine's coming up to flight speed. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And liftoff. Liftoff of the Progress 92 cargo craft bound for the International Space Station. Soyuz booster arcing out to the northeast. Roll, pitch, and yaw, all nominal. Engine performance nominal as the Soyuz heads downrange. 37 seconds into the flight, all parameters reported to be normal from the blockhouse in Baikonur. Punching a hole through the clouds, heading into an orbit 51.6 degrees inclined to the equator. Engine chamber pressure is nominal. We've passed the 1 minute mark into the flight. Yaw, pitch, and roll all reported to be nominal. Passing through the area of maximum dynamic pressure on the vehicle. 1 minute 25 seconds into the flight. About 25 seconds remaining in first stage performance.